seem to find Fanti anywhere.
But yeah.
And things were going so smoothly before this. Guess I underestimated traversing worlds.
Nachi, what's wrong? Problem?
Yeah, sure is. Also, you need to call me Granny at all times. It's fine now, but start making it a habit.
Okay, Granny. Perico too?
You can stay Perico. You'll always be Perico.
Woohoo! Perico will always be Perico! And Yuri can just be Yuri?
I suppose so. Remember, you're to limit your interactions with her. She's always been rather fond of you, after all. There's no telling how your actions may complicate matters. Bite her or something to keep her from getting close to you. Oh. It was so simple all along. If Eureka's here, we could just have her become the Wandering Spirit's medium. Now there's an idea. With her clairvoyance, she could see everything that transpires underground. Plus, I'll be able to move about more freely, truly killing three birds with one stone. Well done, Perico. That was a memory from when I just arrived here. Seems the barrier is unstable, huh? Ah, well, on to the next one then.
Well, that's one. Keep going. Technically stronger. I mean, it's technically time travel to some extent. It's just, think about it this way, it's not, oh shit. Can't open that door. One. The idea is they did one loop, and by they I mean the old